God. Jay. Oh, it was through.
Yeah.
8 up. God, it get worse when you spin it. Yo, man, what's up to all my king, queen, prince, and princess, man? It's your boy Court, a.k.a. YK Slim. Back at y'all with another video, man. I know it's been a while, but yeah, I am back. Y'all see those tires in there back there, man? I'm about to go ahead and get these thrown on. Cause your boy needs some tires. And crazy thing about it, it's not even the back tires, it's the front tires. So, man, I'm about to go ahead, head to the shop this morning, man. Get these tires and stuff put on. Go ahead and show y'all the tire that's in the front also. But yeah, man, I ain't crooked my car, man, about 2 weeks. 2 weeks, bro. So let's go ahead, man. Bass still sound good. She still sound good, man. Yeah, I ain't crooked up in about 2 weeks. I ain't gonna hold you. So yeah, man. Thanks for y'all watching this video, man. First time to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button, man. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell also, man. I said, man, appreciate everybody that been watching me this far. Everybody that been with me this far on the journey, man. I appreciate everybody. Appreciate y'all new followers, subscribers. Also, tongue twisted in the morning, man. Kind of early, but yeah, man. I'm gonna go ahead and check that Freon and stuff in the car, man. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. Yeah, the shot shit, that's what I need right now. Put a little side by side, man. They dirty as hell. They on up in now. Oh shoot! I don't know, they chased somebody away. It was a car in front of them speeding though. But yeah, man. I said my tire get messed up. Go ahead and get my tire put on and get a line up on the car. But yeah. Also, man, I gotta go ahead and throw my intake in also. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned for that video also. When he lift it up, I'm gonna show y'all the tire too, man. Hey, then what's so crazy? I could have been got these tires. I had goddamn hit the folks up because when I bought the tires and the rims and the tires, I had bought insurance on it.
Oh, okay.
So I was trying to do the insurance, man. Them folks said it's gonna be 6 weeks before I get some more tires, man. I just went on and bought some more, bro. So I know. So when I told my girl, I said, shoot, I said I'm gonna buy some more, put them on, and I'm gonna send them back and still use my warranty. Yeah. I said 6 weeks, man. Y'all crazy, bro. Man, I'm telling you, bro. God, Jay. Oh, it was through.
Yeah.
8 up. God, it get worse when you spin it. Early morning type shit, bro. I rap. Yeah, man, my wrap, man. Should go ahead and order that tonight too, man. Go ahead and get my wrap in. I'm gonna go ahead and try to wrap my car before our homecoming. Y'all already know I record my homecoming too every year. So yeah. Hopefully it'll be here in time so I go ahead and fully wrap my car. Y'all stay tuned for that, for the color reveal also. I think everybody gonna like that color, but if they don't, I don't care because I like it. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for that. Like I said, man, first time to the channel, man, hit that like, hit that post notification bell, man. Don't forget to share, man. Appreciate everybody. So yeah, like I said, go ahead, slap the intake in. Hopefully I can get my wrap here in time to fully wrap my car. Get done wrapping it. hopefully I can go ahead and get that all that taken care of before my homecoming. Homecoming probably about 3 more weeks. So if it come in time, I will be done wrapping my car. So yeah, and I am wrapping my own car. That's why I say I hope I can get done in time. I teach myself how to wrap. I'm not an official car wrapper guy, but I did wrap that black and stuff that's on my car. And I gotta redo the hood, so I'm gonna pull that off, slap the hood and stuff back on there too. So yeah, and it's not gonna be all black. I did think about going all black. And some people did say, Jay, go ahead, go all black. I did think about it. To be honest, man, a lot of people actually like it how it is now. A lot of people told me just leave it like that. Don't even change the color on it. Just leave it like that. I don't know, man. I've been had like that for a while. I just want to put something on it, man. Make when you ride by somebody, turn their head and look. So yeah, go ahead, order that wrap, put it on, let y'all see it. Y'all tell me how y'all feel about it. A little bit up out of there. I gotta go clean it though. Bro, he just gave me a printout of my lineup. Oh my God. It wasn't that bad, but it was in the front. Boy, feel good to be back with my baby boy. It's been like 2, maybe 3 weeks. Yeah, about 3 weeks, man, without my baby, bro. So y'all already know I was happy to get her back. But shoot, bro, that man. So basically, hold on. Turn around right quick. Yeah, man. So basically, let me show y'all the printout. Let me show you the printout. Cover up some stuff though. But let me show you the printout. So basically, that's how my tires were. Everything else was good, right? That's how my tire was. So basically, with that, my tires were like going in like this. That's not like this, actually. That's why I was scrubbing like that, bro. Dang. I thank God, man. Anything could have happened, bro. And you gotta think about it. I drove this song going to Orlando. When I went to Orlando, yeah, that video on my family channel too. So yeah, I drove this thing to Orlando, bro. Dang. Boy, I can't lie. Feel good being back in my baby. Look at it. My baby rides. But for real, man, I ain't been in my car almost 3 weeks, man. So, you know how it is, man. You ain't been in your car for a while. You feel excited. You feel good, man. You know, you feel great. Like when I drive my car over there to the shop, I couldn't go over 50. Couldn't go over 50. Well, I could, but, man, that song going. Y'all seen the tires, man. Y'all seen it, but they were bad. Matter of fact, I got them right here. Got them in the back. So yeah, man. Hey, short video, but man, your boy back doing content. I'm back. So with that being said, man, I know y'all tired of hearing it, but guess what, man? First time to the channel, man. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell also, man.
Doge.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss, went and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour all ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell myself, sell anything, I need a stove now.